In this video, we're going to learn how to tie the belt. For purposes of this demonstration, I'll be using a white belt. Once you understand how to tie the belt, the same method is used for all belt colors. Holding a belt in front of you with the ends hanging equally and your stripes on the right, place the middle of the belt at your waist. Drawing a belt around you, grasp the belt with your left hand and begin fitting the part now in your left hand underneath. A good tip here is to use a finger in between the two layers to make that work smoothly. Holding the belt away from you with the left hand, take the section in your right hand, cross it in front of the other, and then begin tucking it underneath. Pushing the belt up between you and the belt, hook your left thumb underneath the belt loop and pull it up and out. Tighten the belt until it's snug. Roll the right side over, placing the left side on top. Reaching through the loop with the right hand, pull to the right, tightening the belt knot. To check your work, look for a triangle pointing to the right with the stripes now on the left hand side. When first tying the belt, don't bother trying to get the ends perfectly matched up. Just find the approximate middle of the belt. And I'll show you how to fine-tune this before you finish tying the knot. Once you're done with the first half hitch of the belt, check the ends to see if the lengths match up. If they do not, I have a simple solution for this. With the belt snug but not tight, grasp the two layers of the belts with both hands, slide the belt toward the shorter end. Work the knot back toward the center of the belt, checking that the ends are even. Finish tying the belt as before. Once you've crossed the belt behind you and brought the left side underneath, maintain outward tension on the belt using your left hand. That'll keep the two layers in the back from slipping down as you tie the belt. This also creates the necessary gap for the right hand side to fold underneath.